Good morning, day 3. It's just after 7. I gave myself a little, extra hour in bed today. I thought I'd earned it. Oh, my key. It's under my bum. I think tomorrow I'll get up early again. See if we can get some cool sunrise shots, but I think the weather's going to be a bit shitter today and tomorrow. But now we are going to head towards Applecross. Wow. This is incredible. This is incredible. We're so high up right now. Very high up, and we're going further up there. It really doesn't do it justice. Like on the camera it just looks like flat. This is crazy. Right, back in the car. Fucking hell. But yeah, that bit back there coming up, it was like single track, and it's like if you went then that was it. Oh my god. This is fun. Oh my god, guys. Look, we're in the clouds. That bit of road was so fun. We're up by the snow. Look, I think I can see some over there, We've spotted deer. We haven't seen deer yet. Definitely not going to be eating that snow. I'm going to see if I can get close to these deer. Get yourself inside, lads. It's shit weather up here. Let's go. Oh my god, guys. This is so intense. This is so intense. The weather is awful. I think it is that we're just in the we are literally in the clouds right now. We saw some deer at the top, which is really cool. That was on the list. I wanted to spot some wild deer. I trod in some snow, but it was really dirty. Really dirty. So I wasn't gonna make any snow angels out of that. And now we're sort of going down the other side. My ears are popping. Oh, I really wanted to fly my drone around there, but this happened, so it is what it is. Managed to get out and get some footage regardless, so happy days. But yeah, hopefully the rest of the day isn't like this. But it's so cool. That was the most exciting drive I've ever been on. Like, that section of road felt like I could die any second. It was great. Would highly recommend. That was so cool, man. And the camera doesn't do it justice. It was so what's the word? So dramatic. Fuck me. Rain's getting heavier and heavier. I want to get down. I can see the water. I can see the coast. Weather doesn't look any better down there. I was hoping to fly my drone around here by the sea. So I might wait for a little bit, see what happens. Yeah. Alright guys, so I've been sat here in this little car park for about half hour now. It's still raining, obviously. I've checked the weather and it doesn't look like it's going to be slowing down anytime soon, so I think I'm just going to carry on. Hello, mate. Yeah, cheers for letting me. Just gonna pass through, mate. Just gonna pass through. Hello. Bar if you think people should like the video. No? took a little detour, stumbled across this. Not too shabby. This is part of what used to be a phone, I think. iPhone. God knows where the rest of it is. I started the vlogs on this. This is going to need a lot more editing now. When life gives you lemons. Well, I guess the good thing is no one's going to get my information off this thing. I'm going to pick it up, take it back with me, get rid of it. But fuck me, man. I mean, this must have been like a result of like cars driving over it as well. I mean, it's a good job it wasn't my actual phone, right? Well, I wouldn't have forgotten that. Oh, guys, I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed with myself. Like, I never normally forget stuff like that. Like, I'm usually quite good at that, but I guess like with all the driving and the early starts, I mean, I'm glad that the tripod is still fine because I bought that just before leaving, and that's totally fine. Like, it seems to be working fine, all operational, but the phone was absolutely obliterated. I mean, I'm kind of glad because if I'd gone back and I couldn't find my phone, I would have been in like a mad rush, like trying to change passwords and like if somebody like picked it up. But we have to move on. What's happened has happened. Could have been a lot worse. I'm just going to enjoy the rest of the trip, and then whatever footage I have, I will stick together. I'll stick together, and yeah, we'll still get a video. The good thing is that I've managed to get some good. I've managed to get some good drone footage today. And we have been getting breaks in the clouds, in the rain, which has been good. Said it was going to be pissing down all day. Anyway, let's carry on. Day 3. Come on then. Can only get better from here, right? Can't get much worse than that. Tell you one thing, guys, you can get away from a lot of the news, but you can't escape the rising fuel prices. Jesus Christ. Here we are. This is where we've come to. Stack Polade. I don't know if I fancy going up there, but I might walk down to the water down this way, if I can, and maybe fly the drone. Well, this is very Lord of the Rings, isn't it? Stay off the path.
Get off the road!
Ugh. Right guys, managed to fly the drone, got some great shots. Say hello little guy, hello. Is this your first appearance? Probably is now that we lost the other phone, but hello, here he is. You did good buddy, you did good. I think I'm probably gonna head towards where we're staying tonight, because I have to check in there around 5 o'clock, which is a bit annoying. But I might go there, and then I might go back out for a little adventure, or I might just stay in the room, maybe do a little stream. I'm not sure yet, but I'll obviously show you the place. The sun's out. The sun's out. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, yeah, we're going straight to the next place that we're staying at, because it's going to take us 40 minutes to get there. Have to be in before 6 p.m. I'm going to pull over here quickly. Let this guy go. And he didn't say thank you. Okay, fine. Fuck you, mate. Fuck you and your van.
Left onto A835.
I will. Shall do. Hey, buddy boy. Don't come back. Please. This is amazing. It's even more beautiful in the sunshine. That was crazy. We got some amazing drone footage there of the castle, or hopefully. Saw 2 stags on the way as well. And you know what? Scotland in March? What are you saying? Eh? I can't believe I'm actually having to wear sunglasses on this trip. Especially after the weather that we started with today. Oh man. This is gorgeous. I've not seen anywhere to get any food today. Like I've got like lunchy bits, like sandwiches and things, but there's not really been anywhere to eat. Right, onwards we go. Onwards. Not a bad view, eh? Whew. Right, let's check this out then, shall we? Right, so here's the door. Got a reef up. Got a shelf there, Hunger Games. I watched those again recently, actually. I've got my own little sofa and a little kitchen. TV as well. A fridge, oh my god. Put my water in there. So many plug sockets as well. And then we've got the bedroom. Oh, the sheep on the pillow are quite cute. The bed. Oh, I'll get a double bed. I can see my car there. This is very snug. Oh, hello. This is quite cool, you know. I like this. Best place so far. So guys, what do you think of place number 3 then? I think we'll all agree that it's the nicest one, right? Cool. Right, well I'm going to put my stuff in and then I'm going to go for a wander, I think, because the sun's setting, and see if I can get some food as well. So it appears that all of the food places in this town are closed today, which is weird because it's what is it, Saturday today? But they're open tomorrow. So I'm going to go to the spa and see what I can get. I mean, I've got a microwave in the cabin, so I could see if there's a microwave meal or something in there. Don't know. We'll see. guys. This place wins extra points. It's got the Lotus biscuits and it's got some chocolate caramel things as well. Also, we went for the ready meal mac and cheese from a spa. Oh, I'm excited. All my food's beeping. I'm gonna enjoy this food, guys, and just have a chill evening, I think.